Initial configuration. Once you have registered for My Transport Planner, but before you can start planning jobs, you'll need to set up the system with information about your company. Initial configuration is a quick process, and there are just 3 sections you must set up before you can start planning. These are your company details, your depots, and your resources. You can find out more information about these 3 items in your user guide. The first thing you need to do is enter your company details. So click the Add button to the right of the Company Details window and complete the required information. When you're filling out your address, just type your postcode into the Find Address box, click on the Find Address button and select your address from the drop-down list. Correct any incorrect sections, enter your company registration number and VAT number if you wish to do so, and press Continue. You're now back at the initial configuration screen. Company details are configured, and now it's time to configure your depots. To configure depots, click on the Add button to the right of the Depots pane. Click on Add to add your new depot. A depot is any location where your vehicles and drivers may be allocated to, and from where they begin and end their journeys. A depot name can be any label which makes it easy for you to identify it, such as Northern Depot or, in our case, Darlington Depot. Continue to fill in the address as before. If your depot address is the same as your head office address, simply tick the checkbox next to Copy Address from Company, and it will fill in your details to be the same. Please note that it is very important that this postcode is correct, as it is used to determine the exact location of the depot when we are calculating routes. Or otherwise, just fill in the postcode manually as before and select the address from the drop-down list. Fill in any notes for the depot and press Save to take you back to the depots list. You can edit the depot by clicking on the 3 dots to the right of it. Press Continue to return to the Initial Configuration menu. For instructions on the initial configuration of resources, please see our other training video, Initial Configuration of Resources.